Mommy Jumoke George, big congratulations to you. Big congratulations to you. I'm so happy for you. Mommy Jumoke George was presented a 4-bedroom duplex building today. Do you get? And they gave her a Toyota SUV and a plot of land. Biola Adebayo, òun lọ́lọ́run fi ṣe gàrí tíra Mommy Jumoke George. Now you see what I'm saying now. Adúpẹ́ lọ́wọ́ Ayok Mag Properties. Thank you so much for this wonderful present. Yes, so now lórí ọ̀rọ̀ tí mò ń sọ pé ọwọ́ tó bá ń dùnyàn èèyàn kì í fi sábẹ́ aṣọ. If Mommy Jumoke George did not actually come out to seek for help, do you think she will be able to get all of this big beautiful gift she's getting? Nǹkan tá máa ń sọ gangan nìyẹn. Do you get? Yes. And tó bá hùwà dáadáa, you see, when you do good things will come to you. Mommy Jumoke George, she's a very nice woman. Very, she does not underestimate anybody. She doesn't anywhere you meet her like this, she will just be good. She's always good. Now look at what happened to her now. From being homeless to being the newest landlady in town. Can you beat that? If something is actually, if you are going through something you cannot handle, there is no crime in speaking out. There's no crime in speaking up. When you speak up, people will help you. Look at what happened to Mommy Jumoke George now. I'm so happy for her. Now, Biola Adebayo. Àwọn kan tó ń ṣe, things that you do to people, you are putting smiles on people's faces. I am telling you, gbogbo nǹkan tó ń mínú nǹkan ẹ̀ àti tí ó mì, Ọlọ́run ní fi ọwọ́ bàjẹ́ kàn. Gbogbo nǹkan tó bá ń wá tó ń gbèrò lọ́kùn ẹ̀, gbogbo ẹ̀ l'Ọlọ́run máa fún ẹ ṣe. Oh God, I am so happy. So now, to all those Yoruba bloggers that were saying, hey, kilo people, you know, any small thing, I have told you, those people are suffering from bipolar disease. Those people are sadists. Do you get? Now, this one now that happened now, I know they will be so sad because they are sadists. Now, seeing this post now, I was so excited. Inú mi dùn, as in, but kọ́kọ́ post the money. Wow! 4-bedroom duplex. Oh my God! A plot of land, a whole plot of land. Toyota SUV. Come on. Orewo lèèyàn tún béèrè lọ́wọ́ Ọlọ́run tọ́lọ́run ò tí ì ṣe lórí ọ̀rọ̀ Mommy Jumoke George. I am so happy. Her daughter is back from Mali, safe and sound, hale and hearty. She's good now. She's got her own business. Mommy Jumoke George, she is doing well. Tíyàn bá ń gbàdúrà, àdúrà is like when you keep money in the bank. You might not really have access to that money a lot of times, but anytime you are stranded, you can actually reach out and get some money. Bí àdúrà ṣe rí nìyẹn. Ìyá yẹn ti gbàdúrà. Somebody that was living in the church, ẹ wá imagine ìyá àdúrà tó máa gbà. Pàtó wá kú kọ́lọ̀ ń gbàdúrà wọn. Làwọn bloggers Yorùbá kan, wọ́n wá gang up. Wọ́n wá bẹ̀rẹ̀ sí ní fabricate oríṣiríṣi irọ́. Irọ́ ló ń pa, scam ní kinní kan. No! Ṣé ohun èèyàn, like as an abiyamọ now, is it you will now look at your child traveling to Mali, or you will look at your child traveling to a country that does not even have anything to offer? If that kind of person actually had the resources to make things happen, would she have allowed her daughter to travel to Mali? Let us be putting all of these things into consideration before you now come online and start spewing nonsense. And you are now trying to block, and try to block already. God wants to bless someone, you are trying to block it. Who are you in the scheme of things? Who are you? Now look at it now. Oore tọ́lọ́run bá ti sọ pé òun máa ṣe, kò sí ẹ̀dá kankan tó lè stop ẹ̀. Tọ́lọ́run bá ti sọ pé ó yá, ó lè máa gbàdúrà fún 10 years. Kádúrà yẹn kó ti gbà, but Ọlọ́run dó the right time fún àdúrà láti manifest ni physically. Àdúrà tí ìyá yẹn ń gbà tipẹ́tipẹ́ ló padà wá gbà yìí o. Now look at that woman. Do you know how many years that woman have sacrificed to make us happy in this industry? Putting all her best just to make things happen in this industry. Just because she's got some problem. You guys now, you ganged up, you started saying a lot of things, trying to block her. Hey, le block her, return about my down. Yes, so I am so happy for her. And Biola, thank you so much once again. Yes, all of these Yoruba bloggers, if you pay attention to them, they are not fulfilled. Look at them very well. Ẹni tí ayé ẹ bá dẹ̀ ti bàjẹ́, ó máa ń wẹ́n ní kúnra ni. If somebody is coming online to seek for help, did they come to your doorstep? Ṣé wọ́n wá kanlẹ̀kùn yàrá yín? Nobody came to you. Ẹ kàn set the ring light. You started saying nonsense. You were just trying to block her. So now that, you know, she's the newest landlady in town now, you know, look at the car they gave her. Do you get a plot of land, a 4-bedroom duplex? As Mommy Jumoke George is happy, they are sad. Inú wọn bàjẹ́ ni pé ó ti róore yẹn gbàṣà, kí lẹ fẹ́ gbà ń bẹ̀? Kí lẹ fẹ́ gbà ń bẹ̀? Then the next thing they will say is àwọn actresses wọn, àwọn actress wọn àtàwọn actors wọn máa ń lọ party, wọn máa lọ náwó, ṣówó yín lọ ná. So ẹni tó help ìyá yìí ṣé kò ń ṣe actress ni? Ṣebí industry wa yìí náà ni ẹni tó help ẹ ti help ẹ. Yes, then àwọn Nigerians tó wà reasonable, àwọn Nigerians gidi, because that is what we call Nigeria. We are nice people. We are very hospitable, very nice set of people. Nigerians. Tí o bá sí pé àwọn Nigerians ohun tí máa ń sọ gbogbo gbà, see if we actually practice the religion of love, this country, Nigeria, will be the best country in the world. I'm telling you, ní ẹlẹ́gbẹ́ ká ní pé we are practicing the religion of love. Do you get? But the religion we have, all the religions we have now, all of them. Because I wonder why somebody will embezzle trillions of dollars. Somebody will put the entire nation in darkness. You go embezzle the money to light up Nigeria. You will embezzle the whole billions of dollars. And when that case, gets to court, the person will now bring one holy book. Will bring holy book. That is when they will now bring holy book to court. How can one person have almost 800 houses in one particular spot, and a lot of people are homeless? And in the same country, some people are arresting homeless people, taking them to court. The same country. And if you check those people, you see that this one is a Muslim or that one is a Christian. Mocheman sọ pé if we actually practice the religion of love, Nigeria will not be like this. One person will not embezzle the whole money that is meant for 250 million people. One person will embezzle that money and nothing will happen. Nothing will happen. Because by the time they want to swear that person in, it is either they swear that at the point when they want to swear the person into office, it's either the Bible or the Quran. And these people, after swearing an oath, the funny thing is, one administration will embezzle all the money. Nobody will catch him. Nobody will arrest him until the next administration comes. Then that next administration will now start arresting the previous that one will now be arresting people from the previous administration. Then the previous administration will be arresting the people from the previous administration. Then the previous will not be. And when they reach court, they go carry holy book. Where is the love? I mean, where it's obvious. Where is the love? I don't see any love. Okay, let us just practice the religion of love for 1 year in this country, because when you love, religion of love is when you love one another, you won't be able to hurt one another. When you love one another, a billionaire will not turn a blind eye when he sees someone that does not have one kobo. When we love one another, someone that has 100 houses, over 100 houses scattered all over the country, all over the place, will not see one homeless person under the bridge and drive by. If we have love for one another, do you get? One person will not embezzle billions of dollars that is meant to create electricity for over 200 million people. If we actually practice the religion of love, one person will not carry kala and go and be kidnapping people. If we practice the religion of love, one person no go carry kala, enter the bush, enter the highway and start abducting people and been demanding for ransom. You abduct a secondary school teacher, you are now calling a family to pay 10 million naira. Where will that person, somebody that is earning maybe 70,000 naira per month, you carry that person, you say you can't call the family, you say make the family they pay 10 million naira, 20 million naira, 30 million naira. Where do you think they will see the money? So if we actually practice the religion of love, this world will be a better place now. Come on. So those people, they will gather themselves, they will come to talk nonsense. See, artists come back, they pay only the help. The next thing that will come out of their mouth is there is dignity in labor. Àwọn ìyá yẹn ó yẹ kán ti ṣiṣẹ́, àwọn bàbá yẹn ó yẹ kán ti ṣiṣẹ́ takuntakun. 35 years ago, 40 years ago, industry that you will work. Do you want to compare that time to this time that people are getting endorsements everywhere? People are doing influencing everywhere. That time there was no phone, there was no internet, there was nothing. These people laid down their own sweat and blood for the development of the industry that we see today. So, and some people in the same industry, some people will work, they will toil, they will work. It's only God that can bless somebody's handwork. I am telling you, it's only God. And you cannot compare. See, these our fingers are not equal. Some people will be poor, some people will be rich. So when you now see somebody that is poor seeking for help because you have some money or you think you are rich, you now feel that person has not done enough to make money. That person has done more work. If we are going by hard work, if na by hard work na if person dey get money, àwọn alábàárù ló yẹ kó lówó jù, àwọn tó máa ń gbẹ́ kànga yẹn ló yẹ kó lówó jù, àwọn tó máa ń ru ẹrù nínú ọjà àwọn ló yẹ kó lówó jù, àwọn tó máa lọ ń já cement, tó máa já a trailer load of cement, àwọn ló yẹ kó lówó jù. If na by hard work, so when you just open your mouth and say things, let us put other people into consideration. Not everybody will be as fortunate as you. Do you get? So when somebody comes out seeking for help, castigate, fingers can never be equal. But if you have, it does not mean that the person that does not have is useless. Don't be thinking like that. So guys, let us practice the religion of love. Let us learn how to love one another. I'm not saying you should leave your religion. I'm not saying one religion is bad. I'm not saying one religion is good. But what I'm saying is, whatever religion that we practice, let us add love to it. Because love is God. God is love. Jeff Owole Walorukomi. I'll see you on the other side. And please, if you know that you have not subscribed to my channel, please subscribe to my channel and smash that notification bell, so when my next video is popping up, you'll be the first to see it. God bless you for watching my videos. God bless you for dropping those beautiful comments. I really appreciate it. God bless you.
Please subscribe to my YouTube channel and press the notification button.